Every day, we use petrol in cars, bikes, and many machines. But have you ever wondered, where does petrol actually come from? It is not made in factories. It comes from deep underground, formed over millions of years, from dead plants and animals. The journey of oil is long, complex, and fascinating. Let's explore how oil is made and how it finally reaches your car. What did people use before oil existed? Today, we depend on oil for fuel. But long ago, people did not have petrol or diesel. They used wood, coal, and animal power. Life was slower and harder. There were no cars or airplanes. Everything changed when humans discovered oil.
Oil takes millions of years to form. Oil is formed deep underground. Millions of years ago, tiny plants and animals lived in oceans. When they died, their bodies sank to the bottom. Over time, layers of mud and sand covered them. Heat and pressure slowly changed them. After millions of years, they turned into oil and natural gas.
Oil is hidden deep inside the earth. Oil is not found in large empty spaces. It is trapped inside rocks deep underground. These rocks act like sponges. They hold oil in small spaces. Sometimes, oil is found under the ocean floor. Finding oil is not easy. Scientists use special tools to locate it. Getting oil out of the ground is very difficult. Once oil is found, companies start drilling. They use big machines to dig deep into the earth. This process is called drilling. Oil comes out through long pipes. Some oil wells are on land. Others are in the middle of the ocean. These are called offshore oil rigs. After oil is taken out of the ground, it must be transported. Huge pipelines carry oil across countries. Oil is also transported by ships and trucks. It travels long distances to reach refineries. This is an important step in the journey of oil. Crude oil cannot be used directly. Raw oil is called crude oil. It cannot be used directly in cars. It must be cleaned and separated. This happens in a place called a refinery. In refineries, oil is heated at very high temperatures. Different parts of oil are separated. These parts become petrol, diesel, and other fuels.
Petrol is made from crude oil. Inside the refinery, crude oil is turned into many products. One of the most important is petrol. Petrol is a light fuel. It burns easily and powers vehicles. Other products include diesel, gas, and jet fuel. Each part has a different use.
How does petrol reach petrol pumps? After refining, petrol is stored in large tanks. Then it is transported by trucks. These trucks deliver petrol to petrol pumps. From there, it is stored underground in tanks. When you fill your car, you are using fuel that traveled a long journey.
The future may not depend on oil. Today, the world is changing. People are trying to use less oil. Electric cars and renewable energy are growing. In the future, we may depend less on petrol. But for now, oil is still one of the most important resources in the world.